So, here I sit, the 8th day of January. It's pretty nice out, a little cool, but there's no wind anyway. I've had the crud since like 4 or 5 days before Christmas. A nasty cough, the crap in the back of my throat. Yeah, horking up garbage. Can't get rid of it. I had antibiotics I took for 10 days. There were some I never used from previous crap with my legs. The ongoing crap with my legs, whatever. Yeah. But anyway, just thought I'd come outside and film a little something, a little update, because I haven't been making anything. I haven't felt like doing nothing. Plus, I can't like talk half the time. Starts coughing and junk when I start coughing, whatever. I don't know. Came out here, I thought I'd film some birds or something. Just some B-roll footage. Whatever. There's nothing. There's some birds, but they're just these little, they call them a dark-eyed junco, but snowbirds, some people call them. Yeah, they're kind of cute little birds, but they mostly stay on the ground. It's kind of hard to get them to look right when the grass is all brown and they're brown. Anyway, I was just watching the Saints. They lost. It's finally over with. I don't have to watch any more football now. That's the only team I even remotely even care about, even watching. But most of them I don't even care about that. Ain't much into football anymore. Never really was. I mean, but I got boogers and snot coming out my nose. I hope not. Actually, it'd be something amusing anyway. That's about the update of my life. Lived through Christmas, lived through New Year's. That's about it. I like this color thing I got here with I don't know, it's one of them filter things where you can set it where it's black and white, but it brings out some things that are color, so mostly reds, bright colors like that, I guess. I guess if I had blood on me or something, it'd be blood. Yeah, blood. Man, I got a fart. Hope you can hear this. Oh no, you can't hear. Man, my farts. Ever since I had that surgery, on my butthole. Where if they cut a hole, I guess they made it bigger. I'm not sure. But my farts, I can't. They're just like nothing. They're poof air. They're like SBDs, but they don't stink. Well, I don't think they stink. But same thing when I take a crap. I don't know. Whatever. I'm gonna talk about it. I don't give a shit. So, but when I take a crap, they cut the left side of my butthole, like on my left side. That's the side that they did the sphincterectomy or whatever it's called, lateral sphincterectomy. Basically, it makes it to where you poop. But when I take a crap now, I can feel the crap. It feels like it's coming out normal, and then all of a sudden it feels like it shifts to the left.
Slide to the left, slide to the right. Now cool down, have a good time. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Do the butterfly, have a good time right.
It's like it shifts to the left a little bit. You can feel it. It's like coming out. All of a sudden, boop. It's like, boop, and it's like, boop, comes out. But and I guess I've probably needed that my whole life. I'm not sure, because maybe my butthole's been too. Because I've never really crapped like very big turds. I mean, it's like, like some people crap turds are like this big around, but my turds were usually like this big around. That's probably the reason I had to have the surgery. But now my craps are coming out, like a normal size crap, And, but I can feel them as they're coming out. I can feel it like, okay, it's coming. I can feel it. I guess it's in the poop chute. So if I feel it coming out, I'll say it feels like it shifts to the left. It comes out. Man. Every time I crap, I'm like amazed by that. I'm like, here it comes. Okay, shift to the left. Shift to the right. I guess if it did, so I needed to maybe have it done on both sides. I got where that would be even coming out. And I probably couldn't hold my crap. But anyway, just a fun little story for you. I keep looking over here. I'm trying to look here, but you always want to kind of look at the screen. If the screen's here, so I got to I need to put me like a little dot or something. That's the reason I think when like professional cameras and stuff, they'll have a light that's boom comes on, so you can stare at the light. So you have a point of reference or whatever. But anyway, so I have to make sure I kind of look at this area instead of looking over here. But I see a lot of people, even big YouTubers, they're always looking over there. You wouldn't think that would make that much difference. I mean, it's literally like an inch, like an inch or two. I'm literally, this is straight on, this is looking at the screen. But it looks weird, to me when people are like, continue to look at this, like, ooh, they're looking at themselves. Well. I gotta quit talking. My throat's starting to, the drain in all the crap, so I'm out of here. I might put some more on here. Okay. Looks like a mountain. Looks like mountains or something on it. It's a rotten log.